So hello traders, so I'm going to share with you how I get these sniper entries. Most of my sniper entries. This is like some simple trading strategy for making entries that has been there. You all know it, but if you utilize it, there is no need of any indicator, just pure price action and something that is already there. We all know support and resistance. So after finding our key level, what do we do next? We head on to 15 minutes, because for me I like using multiple time frames. I use an H4, but I measure get my bias on what? On 15 minutes. I mean on H4 daily 1H. So when you get especially H4 usually gives a lot of good entries. They are very, very, very good entries. I mean, good what? Price action. So this entry model, it appears anywhere. Depends on which kind of trader are you. There's scalpers, there are swing traders, there are day traders. So if you are a day trader, you'll go in 15 minutes for your entry, 5 minutes, but 1 minute is good, but you'll get a lot of what? Stop losses, especially on gold, because gold is highly volatile. It's just a single move. You can see that it can make in 1 minute, it can make like a 40 what people move in just a minute. So just have to be patient on higher time frames to wait for your thing, because gold, if you are patient, it pays. But if you are impatient, it will burn you. It will just make you lose interest in trading gold. Gold is good, but if you are impatient, it will show you that it will indeed humble you. So what I'm going to share with you, it's what we all know. It's called a bullish engulfing candle. We all know a bullish engulfing candle. It's here. We know like engulfing candles. We have a bullish engulfing candle and bearish engulfing candle. So here there are two scenarios. There is this scenario here, which is encircled with what? Now this is what we call a bearish engulfing candle. When this occurs, we shall see the following candles. If at all it has come from a significant level. What do we mean by significant level? Significant level, I mean by support, or now here it will be resistance zones. This will occur at a resistance zone where we shall have the following candles have to be bearish. So for the bearish scenario, we shall have this candle here, it encloses this bullish candle. And the following candles, we shall see them being bearish. The same story applies here for the bullish scenario. When this candle here at a key level, when it occurs at a key level, then we see a bullish engulfing candle, engulfing a last previous candle. Then we have to wait for this candle here. If we choose like 15 minutes, usually candles which are good are usually 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Those are good. And if it's for H1, those are also good. Like any bullish engulfing candle is good, but for lower time frames, you can be deceived. Like 1 minute, you can be deceived. But this one at a key level to deliver. So let me show you on H. So this is a significant level here. I showed you my now this is a significant level here. I told you what a significant level is. What do we see here? We see our resistance zone here. And what do we see here? We can see a bearish engulfing candle. So what do you do in that sense? After me noticing this bearish engulfing candle here, let me use this to here, I see my bearish engulfing candle here. What I do, I just wait. After it closes, I just wait for any significant level up here, or I can enter the market from here. When it closes, I can enter just above it, but there I have to take some consideration, and I put my stop loss just above the what, the bearish engulfing, and I target the next significant level. We have this support, or I can test that. I can take this where market has what, because we shall see there are the zones which are going to get to hold the market. So I put my take profit around here. But to reduce this, you can, because this is daily candle, the daily time frame. This is a daily key zone here. So you don't need to just go to like 1H and find a zone here. But this signifies that we are bearish. Let me remove everything. So the same goes around here. This is a zone also. We saw this our resistance zone here. Yeah, market tapped there. What do we see here? We see a bearish engulfing candle. But this comes after what? Series of confirmation. Yeah, you don't just go here. There are things we consider, but this is for what? Confirming entries. Yeah, you can see this one. It's also a bullish engulfing candle, but you can't trade this because it's not at a significant level. You can't trade this because it's not at a significant level. You will easily be what? Stopped out. But what do we see here? We see that this was a support. It was a support broken. You see this one, this one. This one. It was a support broken into resistance. It was a support broken. Then it came again. It supported the market here. Yeah, it supported the market here. So after, you see, that's what I talk about, significant level. So afterwards, you can see that there is a bullish engulfing candle formed here. Yeah, don't you see it? You wait patiently, it finishes. Then you go on lower time frames and get a region just which is in this candle here. You get a region in this candle, either a support region, resistance region. You can find it on 1H, where we are going to buy from in order to prevent a huge stop loss. But if you were someone who doesn't care, you can enter from there, target you put your stop loss just below this candle here, and you can target the next region, which is this, or you can target this liquidity here. But it's better to play it safe, because who knows, it can reverse. Yeah, you just play it safe here, just put it above here. Yeah, and you are done. So we go to lower time frames. Let me go to H1. So on H1 I have this region here. Now on H1 there are very, very, very many. Yeah, so if I take this is my region here, you see this region, this is a significant region here. This region, why? Because it has been this region, talking about that region. You see market has been resisting. Yeah, so at first I see this is my first bullish engulfing candle here. You see it, you see here, you see that you can buy, but this one you have to go to lower time frame and buy from kinda here. You put your stop loss below this one. But this bullish engulfing candle is not ideal. Why? Because it has not fully engulfed the candle. You see what I mean? This is not an ideal one. You see, it has no wick. You see, it has not engulfed the candle. It hasn't engulfed. You see, we don't see any engulfing. But what about this? You see this candle here? It has fully engulfed this other candle. Now this one is a what? A good bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, it has really engulfed the candle. Yeah, the bearish candle. This one will push the market further up. I'm talking about this. You just enter after it closing. You put your stop loss just below it, and you put below the candle, because the market can come and it retest somehow like on lower time frames, and you target the next what? The next region. You can target this region there. Here, you see this region here, this one. This is also a bullish engulfing candle here. You see it? It's a bullish engulfing candle, but I don't take it. Reason being, it doesn't qualify. It's not in a what? In a good region. This isn't a good region here. It isn't in a good region here. Yeah, it's just the same. And also when you're taking these candles here, you just have to be cautious. These ones, now this is a bearish. You can take it as a bearish engulfing candle, but it is too big. Yeah, it's a big candle, it's massive. We can't take this. It doesn't qualify. It should be relative small, like this one. These ones, no, we don't take them. Yeah, okay, thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe.